Hey everybody, it's Rich and Katie down along the river. Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. Tell you what we're going to do for you is a gourmet burger collaboration with Jason down at Stone Mountain Barbecue in Southern Virginia. We was kicking it back and forth a little bit, and we haven't done a gourmet burger collaboration, so we're going to do it with him. So what we're going to do is we are going to take your classic Cuban burger and we're going to turn in with a little bit of a river twist on it. So stick around, and I hope you like it. Everybody, we got that burger put together. This is my version of a Cuban, which is normally just pickles and cheese, ham and burger. But you put whatever you want on it. And this is my take. This smells great. We got that homemade bacon on there. Looks great. Let's go ahead and get in on this thing. I can't wait. Oh. A little bit of mouth. Oh guys. That was a man bite. Wow. I got my face on. No. Get all the elements. You get the onion, the coolness from the tomato. That I keep wanting to call it chicken. But it's black pepper crusted turkey I put on the lunch meat. You can really get that black pepper. The steak seasoning from that Tony Douglas steak seasoning. Ooh, a little warm in here. So guys, check out Jason's channel, Stone Mountain Barbecue. I'll leave his iCard up here. Check out his channel. You should already seen the link to his video by now. I don't know what he's doing, but I know it's a burger. Don't know what kind. So guys, go check his channel out. You know, he's a real nice guy. down there in Southern Virginia. So again, this is a collaboration with him on a Gourmet Burger. So guys, if you like this, subscribe, hit that like button, and all the social media be in the description box to show more. It's been a while, right?
Yeah, I have.
So guys, check this recipe out. I'll leave what I can in the description box what I used. So again, share with your friends and family, and when you do, tell them the best barbecue comes from the river. And we'll see you on the next one.